Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a very powerful and potent hair growth oil using some of the ingredients you can find in your kitchen. The first ingredient we have for this recipe is rosemary. As you can see, I have some dried rosemary that I'll be using to make the oil. If you have fresh rosemary, you can use as well. Rosemary is powerful for stimulating blood circulation on the scalp. Apart from stimulating blood circulation, rosemary can help to treat hair thinning, alopecia, and receding hairline. So if you have bald patches, you should start using rosemary. The next ingredient we have is aloe vera. So I'll be making use of dried aloe vera. So I just dried the aloe vera leaves and then I, I, I grated them into small pieces to form this. If you have aloe vera powder, you can use as well. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes which helps to treat some scalp issues like dandruff, inflammation, and flakes. So you can start using aloe vera either in dry form or fresh. So just use any that you have, but for today's recipe you can use dry aloe vera leaves or aloe vera powder. The next ingredient we have is fenugreek seeds. We will be adding fenugreek seeds because they are beneficial for our hair and scalp. They contain protein which helps to support the strength of the hair. If your hair breaks and lacks elasticity, then that means that it doesn't have protein. So adding some ingredients with natural proteins like fenugreek seeds will help to strengthen your hair as well as helping to grow your hair thicker. We will also be needing cloves. We will be adding some cloves to the recipe. Cloves contains eugenol, which is amazing for stimulating blood circulation on your scalp and also helps to grow hair thicker and also treat some gray hair. So clove has really many benefits apart from those I have mentioned. So in case you've not tried any of these ingredients I am using, just you need to start using them and you will be surprised on how long and thick your hair will grow, especially if you have issues like baldness, hair thinning, and scalp issues. So right now I'm going to transfer the ingredient mixture to my small blender here. I'm not going to measure, there's no any quantity. I will blend small by small until these ingredients are all in powder form. So because I don't have a big blender, so I'll be blending small by small and then I'll come back. So after blending, this is how the ingredients are looking like now. They are all in powder form right now. So I'm going to be transferring them to this mason jar. So I'm just going to add some of the tablespoons to the jar. So just use your own quantity depending on the amount of the oil you want to make and how long you want it to stay and how potent you want your oil to be. So I'm just adding any amount here, and after that I will also add another ingredient, which is my moringa powder. Moringa is really beneficial for our hair. It helps to condition the hair, increase their thickness, and so many benefits. If you have not used moringa before, you need to start using it and include it to your hair care routine. So I just added 1 tablespoon, and right now I'm going to be using the oil. So this is the mixture of different oils, about 10 oils. So just use your own oil or any oil of your choice to infuse. You can use coconut oil, avocado oil, or any oil of your choice. So I'm just adding all the oil. The oil is about 300 ml. So I'm just using all of it. And right now I'm going to give it some mix until the ingredients or the powder uh, infuse in the oil or dissolves in the oil. And after that, I'm gonna cover everything, and then I'll leave the ingredients to infuse for um for about 1 week. I'm not in any hurry. But if you don't have time and you don't want to wait, you can just use a double boiler method to speed up the infusion. But for me, I just want to make to do cold infusion. And so after 1 week, this is how the oil is looking like. So I believe the infusion took place really nice, which I wanted. So right now I'm going to give it some mix, and then I'm going to strain out the oil using a cheesecloth. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones, and also turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to be squeezing out all the oil. So just make sure to use something with a very tiny hose so you can squeeze out the oil with no any particles. So this is how our oil is looking like. I'm just going to transfer it to this bottle here for storage and for application. Now how you can use this oil, you can use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. You can also use it as a pre-poo or as a hot oil treatment and apply it to your burned areas and your affected area for visible results. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and also turn on the bell notification. Bye, see you in the next.